I'm Tanvir. I'm an application engineer at the Intel Embedded Group.
Hi, I'm Lori, and I'm a software architect at the Intel Embedded and Communications Group.
This is exciting. Multi-core is the next big thing, and it's already here. And multi-core is in multi-processing, and it's parallelism, right? You have multiple execution engines in a single die or even in a package, and you can basically share the load in the different execution engines, and it allows you to increase your performance by multiple folds.
Right, and for a software developer, it's really exciting. Multi-core is very exciting because it really opens the doors to capabilities that we haven't had at such a low cost in the embedded market space before. We could improve turnaround by being able to do the same amount of processing in less time. We could use multiple cores to do that, or we could use the multiple cores to actually process more data in the same amount of time. Beyond that, if we have multiple compute systems that we would like to consolidate onto one system for the benefits of cost and energy, then we can consolidate multiple computer systems onto the same platform and dedicate different multi-core processor cores to the processing that each of those systems would have done before, and it's all contained on one platform now.
As our demand for performance grows, we also are shrinking things. You have a trend where the performance wants to go up almost exponentially, and you want your devices to become smaller and smaller. How do you do this? Well, the multi-core, you have one single processor with single die, and you have multiple cores, and you can do all this work in a very small amount of space, which is exciting.
There are other technologies included in the multi-core processors, such as Intel virtualization technology, active management technology, and trusted execution technology. And virtualization technology on Intel processors is a hardware assist that basically eliminates some of the work that has to be done in software. But the point here is that you can consolidate your software applications from different systems onto one platform without changing a single line of code by using Intel virtualization technology.
One big measurement of multi-core performance and with power efficiency is the measurement we have called performance per watt. And basically what it means is that as you scale up your performance by adding more cores, you're not really scaling power at the same rate. With the new 45 nanometer technology, and we obviously reduce power, and power and thermals are very closely related. So as we scale up performance, our power is not going up that much. At the same time, so with power, because thermals are very closely related to power, power and thermal stays on par. And so with the 45 nanometer technology, we can scale up performance as far as depending on how many cores we add, but we keep the powers and thermals low. And so we basically get the benefit of being able to insert the systems in a fanless or this type of embedded environments.
As a software developer, when you're ready to start updating your application, your serial coded application to run on multi-core and take advantage of those multiple cores and execution resources that you have available now, you should follow a methodology that's called the performance tuning methodology. And if you join that with the thread tuning methodology, you'll find an iterative cycle of steps that you go through that will guide you through analyzing your application, implementing changes to the software, and debugging the software.
Surprisingly, Lori, a lot of people don't know that Intel offers all these wonderful tools to make your software more efficient and for multi-threaded applications. So I think customers and people who are using Intel should be aware of that.
Oh, and to learn more about all these software development tools that Intel offers, visit the Intel Software Development Tools website. Not only will you learn more about the tools, but you can actually download free copies of these software tools for evaluation periods.